Hey there, Mike Lindquist here, Wilton Auto and Tire Center, 658 Danbury Road in Wilton, Connecticut. Working on this 79 Land Cruiser. Came in actually a couple times in the last year and a half for a no start. Gauges go out at the same time. A couple times we thought we had it, started, ran it, works for a week, works for a month, sometimes a year, and it was here a few weeks ago and we thought we had it. But not. So just kind of poking around in here, what I found is if we wiggle, we can watch the gauge. If I manipulate the fuse box, you can see oh, there it goes. Make and break the connection. There it goes, see? Just by wiggling it. So something's loose, probably behind there. Fan out, take a picture of this cool vehicle. And so anyway, the point is, electrical, really hard, especially on older stuff. You never know where that bad connection just might be.